Hello. This is a mod I made called the Edge Cube. It's a very basic mod. It was made from an old, awful Rubik's brand. And I just took out all the corners and then added stickers on these inner parts. It turns just like a normal 3x3 except without corners. It's much easier to solve. In fact, when you solve it, you don't have to look at these inner stickers at all. You can solve it completely by using just the center stickers and the outer stickers, never once glancing at the inner stickers. These stickers are just for decoration or for show and make the puzzle look much nicer. So, it is much easier to solve than a normal 3x3 because, just for example, if you use the beginner's method, which I don't, but that's the best demonstration for this cube, normally what you do is you do the cross, then you do the first layer corners, then the middle layer edges, then you do OLL, or in beginner's method, you make the yellow cross on the top side, then you permute the edges, and then you permute the corners, then you orient the corners. Now, I'm going to scramble this one up and show you the steps that it takes to solve this. It's basically the same as the beginner's method with a few steps cut out. One thing I was a little bit worried about was that these inner stickers would not stay in place because when you turn it, this edge actually goes over this sticker. But these stickers that I use seem to be very durable, and I've had no issues with peeling because of that issue at all. So I think that's a pretty good scramble. So I'm just going to do a quick little kind of a walkthrough solve with this. So, for this case, let's just do the white cross. I see that I already have this piece in. Well, actually, you know what? Cross is the same as just a normal 3x3, so I don't have to do a walkthrough on this part. What I mean is just more a walkthrough of the entire cube and show you just how some steps are cut out. Okay, so there's the cross. Now, for the middle layer edges, there are no middle layer corners, so I can skip that step. For the middle layer edges, just like beginner's method, find an edge on the top without yellow. Now normally, you'd line it up like there's two blues. But this time, I actually misalign it. And then I can insert the edge using only 3 moves. So I go like that, there the edge is in. Now on a normal 3x3 it takes more than 3 moves, I think 8 with beginner's method. But here it only takes 3 because of the missing corner. So let's just continue with that, misalign it, and then there, and there, and then final middle layer edge, like that. Alright, OLL, which is just the same as beginner's method OLL, because there are no corners to worry about. All the OLL algorithms is just making the yellow cross. And then PLL, which again, it's best to use beginner's method on this cube, so I mean, you can use the normal CFOP method, but you'd get some weird parodies. So, okay, beginner's method. And there. Alright, solved. So, one more thing I want to mention on this puzzle is popping. It actually does not pop during solves that much, although manual popping is extremely easy. Now, the reason it's so easy is because this edge here, I push it down, which gives this corner, or this edge, there are no corners on this cube, which gives this edge, it can come out real easily. And this edge can push down so easily because there's no corner here supporting it. So the lack of the corner here allows this edge to be pushed down easily, which allows this edge to pop right out. Now, if I try to pop it again, but I turn the bottom layer 45 degrees, I can't. I cannot take this edge out. It's probably even with a knife, I couldn't even pry it off. Because this edge down here is supporting it. So anyways, this is my first mod. I did it back in November, I think. It's a really basic mod. I'm planning to do some more complicated ones. Like I want to mod my Guanlong into a barrel. But this was my first mod, and it's okay that it's really basic. So anyways, this is my Edge Cube mod. Thanks for watching. Bye.